The following show is brought to you by American Spa.
This is one incredible meteorite crash in Mother Russia. Hey guys, this is Liliana and you're watching W3VA Daily. For today's What's Trending news, here's a clip of maybe the real end of the world, a meteorite crashing in Russia. You thought that was a meteorite? The Cold War ain't over. In Soviet Russia, you don't need a race to explore space. Space explores you. And does every Russian car have a dashboard camera in it? Seriously, every single one. Today is National Card Reading Day. In honor of this nerdy holiday, nominate your favorite card reading videos on W3VA. Watch today's What's Trending video on W3VA today. And don't forget to vote for your favorite meteorite videos. Remember, the more that you vote, the greater your chances are of winning awesome prizes.